Binary addition and subtraction. First we will see binary addition. Now in binary addition there are 4 cases. First one is 0 plus 0. The answer will be sum and carry. So for 0 plus 0 we will get sum as 0 and carry as 0. 0 plus 1 we will get sum as 1 and carry as 0. 1 plus 0 we will get sum as 1 and carry as 0. And lastly 1 plus 1 we will get sum as 0 and carry as 1. Now we know that 1 0 in binary is nothing but 2 in decimal. So 1 plus 1 will give us 1 0, that is nothing but 2. So sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Now we will see an example first. Perform 1011 plus 1110. Now here we know that 1011 is nothing but 11 in decimal, and here 1110 is nothing but 14 in decimal. Now we will see what answer we will get for binary. We know that 11 plus 14 is nothing but 25 in decimal. So we will verify whether we get 25 in binary addition. So here we will write down the given binary number as it is 1110, and we will perform addition of these two numbers. 1 0 will give us 1 plus 0 will give us 1, 1 plus 1 will give us 0, carry will be 1, and 1 plus 0 plus 1 will give us carry will be 1 here and sum will be 0, and finally we have 1 plus 1 we will get here as sum as 1 and carry as 1. Now we know that 1 plus 1 we get sum as 0 and carry as 1, and if we add one more 1 in it we will get 1 here and carry here. So if we add 3 bits, that is 1 plus 1 we will get sum as 1 and carry as 1. So we have got 1011, here we have got 1011, 1110. Addition of these two numbers is 11001. Now if we convert this 11001 in decimal, we will get this one as 25. As we can see here, it will be 16 plus 8 plus 1. So we get here as 25 in decimal. So in this way we can verify our answer. Now we will see one more example. Perform 10111 plus 11100. Now if we add these two numbers, we get 1 plus 0 will give us 1, again 1 plus 0 will give us 1, 1 plus 1 will give us 0, carry as 1, again we will get 1 plus 0 plus 1, sum will be 0 and carry will be 1, and 1 plus 1 will give us sum as 1 and carry as 1. So we have got 10111 plus 11100. The final answer for addition will be 110011. So this will be the final answer for our binary addition. Now we will see binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Now again in binary subtraction we have 4 cases. In this the answer will be in terms of subtraction, or we can say difference, and borrow. Now first case is 0 minus 0, difference will be 0 and borrow will also be 0. Then next 0 minus 1 will give us difference as 1 and borrow as 1. Now here 0 minus 1 we have to take a borrow from next term, that is why difference will be 1 and borrow will be 1. We will see in an example. Then next we will have 1 minus 0, difference will be 1 and borrow will be 0. Then next 1 minus 1 we will have difference will be 0 and borrow will also be 0. Now we will see a simple example over here. Perform 1 0 1 0 minus 0 1 1 1. Now if we perform the subtraction for these two given binary numbers, we will write down the given numbers as it is. Then we will have 0 1 1 1. So 0 minus 1, so we cannot subtract this number, so we have to take a borrow from the next term. So we will take a borrow over here. Now 1 0 is nothing but 2 in decimal. So if we subtract 1 from this 2, 1 from this 2, we will get difference over here as 1. Now here as we have taken a borrow, so remainder will be 0. So again 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so we have to take a borrow from the next term. So we will take borrow from here in this term. Now again we will have to take one borrow from here in this term. So we will cancel out this one also. So here we will get 1 0 minus 1 will give us 1. As we know that 1 0 minus 1 will give us 1. So again here we have remainder as 1. So 1 minus 1 will give us 0 and 1 minus, here we have taken a borrow, so here remainder will be 0. So 0 minus 0 will give us 0. Now if we convert these given numbers, that is 1 0 1 0 minus 0 1 1 1 into decimal, we will get this as 10 minus 7 in decimal. So we know that the answer will be 3 in decimal. Here we have got 0 0 1 1, which is nothing but 3 in binary. So in this way we can perform subtraction of two given binary numbers. We will see one more example for subtraction. Perform 1 1 1 0 minus 0 1 1 0. So if we perform this subtraction, we will get 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. So here we will get, after subtraction, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0, again 1 minus 1 will be 0 and 1 minus 0 will be 1. Now if we convert these numbers into decimal, we know that this is nothing but 14 and this one is 6. So if we subtract 14 minus 6, we will get 8. So the final answer for given subtraction here is 1 0 0 0 in binary, that is 8 in binary. Thank you.